Hey guys, it's Zippo Trucker again, and I got a new video for you. It's about my zippo collection. I've got an update for you. Okay guys. It's a very nice new lighter of me. It is oil colored. I'll take it out. You see oil. There's no fluid in it, but I like it very much. Another oil colored. And this time with a skull. This one is like blue, and the other was kind of purple. Okay, another one. Also oil colored. A dragon. So. Okay, next one. I got it recently from my neighbor. It's a Zippo Slim. I really like this one, so I've reviewed this, so if you liked it, you can see the review. My everyday carry Zippo. You know this one. Really huge flame. I like this one. My other Zippo. Wait a minute guys, I've got something to do. Okay. So I turned it around so you can see it better. Stan Jason, that's my name on it. Pretty nice Zippo. And then what's in the just normal Zippo case. I have this one. I think you already know this because I showed you. It's a striped banner made in the USA Zippo. I really like this one. And I got this one in a nice case. Not the actual Zippo, but I like it. Very thick though. Here we have my mini Zippo. You already know that from my videos. There's no fluid in it, so okay. Here we have I made it myself, a USB Zippo. I hope you like this one guys, because I'm gonna make a review out of it. Here's my Smith & Wesson cold lighter, you know, just a Magnum. Here's my Ace Zippo. No fluid in it, so. Here's my Route 66 Zippo. I really like this one a lot. So, okay. Here's my Space Cake Zippo. Oh, there's not any fluid in it, so. Here's my joint guy, you know, that's something like Bob Marley. You can see it with a joint in his hand. And here we got another joint Zippo. Here's one of my favorite classic iron blockhead lighter. This is one of my favorites. Here we got my Rebel Zippo. I really like this one. Here we have my Ajax Zippo. It's really nice. And here we have my Camel Zippo. Only the hinge is a bit broken off. Wait a minute. Now can you see? Look. It's a bit broken off, so I need to fix that or let it fix by someone. Wait a minute, guys, I'm gonna put it back in. It's really a nice one, I think. Yeah. And here I have my Rock On Zippo. I think you know this one. I also really like this one, so. I don't think I have any more zippos lying around here. But, no I don't. That was my zippo collection for now. Okay guys, hope you liked it and see you next time.